Good evening, everyone. I'm going to talk about language change. How can language differ? The language can differ in many ways. They can use different sounds, they can use or form words in different ways, they can join words together to form a sentence in different ways. Some words may differ in the meaning given in the dialects. They are words that are writing equally, but significantly something completely different. It is necessary to understand in a morphological ways of the dialects vary with the place where we find this interview in the pronunciation of the words, the sounds of the words. Phonics, phonology, morphology, syntax are an important part when we discussing about dialects and language. I will emphasize with phonics, phonetic, and phonology. Phonetics is the linguistic science that deals with the study of the sounds, their different characters and particularities. That is the set of the sounds. Phonetic is responsible for studying the sounds pronounced by the human voice, specific training, characteristics, and singularities. On the other hand, phonology is the linguistic science that studies the sounds in the mental representation that we all have a sound. It is also studying how accent and intonation should be used. The most notorious difference is when we hear and compare the British English of the American English. The American is more informal and its pronunciation sometimes or usually is relaxed. Whereas the British English is more polite and some words are writing in the same way like American, but the pronunciation changes like triming the ending in a subtle way, making it look more elegant with a certain accent at the moment of intoning the words. I think that in the interview I agree with the contribution that has been given to my teacher interviewed and I think is accurate. The dialect and language differ according to the place. I have an example between the dialects of Coast region and Sierra. In Ecuador, it's right as we can see that in the mountains the words are pronounced in a certain way with graded intonation in the double L, like pollo, or in the coast, the province of Manabi, the Montubios eat the S when they talk. That is clear example for me, in my case. By understanding this topic, we're maintaining a better clarity about the dialects and the language and how they differ. And this is really important because we are forming to English, and this is really important for me. Thank you so much.